The National Association of Poultry Farmers have described recent increases in the cost of inputs as unprecedented and currently struggling the poultry industry in the country. Now, some poultry farms have since been forced to close down due to the increase in cost of inputs, which have also affected jobs. Chair for the National Association of Poultry Farmers, Victor Opongeje, wants government to intervene.
The situation has not changed. So availability is a challenge and prices continue to go up. So it has been very difficult for the poultry industry now. And we are just praying that we will have subsidy so that we can import some to supplement whatever we have here. At the moment, you will stick to the new prices, but if inputs continues to go up, then we will have no other option than to have upward adjustment of prices